Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. This is going to be a pill organizer sleeve and I'm going to show you it. I actually have a few different pill organizers because I have pills for different traveling and things like that. And sometimes I leave them in my different bags depending on where I'm going and at different places. But this one here should be a nice one. It looks like it's like a little gift to start with. Okay, so inside of it we have the little box here and I'm going to show you guys what this one looks like. So you see it's a nice, it looks good like on the counter, so you don't really, it doesn't, you know, look like much of anything. Maybe it looks like a little speaker or diffuser or something, but then you pull it out and look what you got. You got a whole week's worth of stuff. And so the way you would do it is you'd have it like that, and I could just pull out Sunday, and it kind of snaps into place at each day. You kind of feel that? So it makes it ridiculously easy to take your pills. So this is what I'll probably use on my counter for each week. I actually have different ones and I'll empty it into here each week. So then I can just go like this, dump it and take it. So instead of having to try to fiddle with opening something else, this one here just makes it ridiculously easy and you've got the whole week. So it starts at Sunday, goes, you can even see the days of the week on both sides. So it just goes from one to the next. So there you go. And nice little, pretty little container. So I kind of like it. So it's going to just look nice on my counter without it looking like I'm some sort of pill popper. So very good. I like it. Thumbs up from me.